Welcome to the Guardian Angel portal. All your company's data is held securely, each user has their own unique login, and all data is updated and shown in real time. This now becomes the single source of truth. At the device level, you can see a snapshot of all of your devices. You can assign a device to a person and assign escalation contacts that stay with the device. On the Persons screen, you can add, view, and maintain all of your device users and escalation contacts. From this screen, you can also assign a device to a person and assign escalation contacts for this person. In the Edit Persons screen, you can specify if this person should be able to access the Guardian Angel portal and what role they should have in the portal, which determines the permissions they have and the functions and features available to them. From the Trips menu, you can view and add information about upcoming trips you or your team is going to make. This can include the date of the trip, the work being undertaken, the vehicle and device you will be taking, all the people that are going on the trip, as well as the locations you'll be visiting. Depending on the setup and configuration for your organization, this may also alert you to any hazards or dangers near the trip locations, so that you can proactively plan your trip to ensure the safety of yourself and your team. Our Gold plan even allows API integration with your HR software. You are able to view the response instructions that our monitoring stations see. And under the Gold plan, there is the ability to update these instructions. The best part is, it's all live. As soon as you click Save, whatever updates you've made will be instantly applied, and the monitoring station will see that most up-to-date information. There is also a full audit history for every single change made, with time and date stamps. All data is encrypted at rest and in transit. This helps keep your information safe from prying eyes and ensures that only authorized users with the right permissions can access and understand the data. There are so many valuable features in the Guardian Angel portal, and we're continually adding more. This will make data management so much easier and more accurate. You can finally get rid of those awful spreadsheets, and most importantly, there is no compromise for keeping your people safe.